See, I was going through what news came out overnight in terms of the tariff. 25%, 10% tariff on China, 25% on Canada and Mexico. Until and unless I've missed it, there's no mention of India, right? We've not missed it.
No, it's just Mexico, Canada and China.
So what should be the reaction?
Yeah.
If you're talking about increased tariff in Mexico, high tariffs in China and Canada, which has been the long-term trading partner for United States, if they're looking at increasing tariffs there, that technically means that the tariff war would be limited and restricted to these three large countries, and it is unlikely to have an impact in terms of what India would fear. So this whole China plus one narrative, and I'm surprised nobody's written about it in the morning in terms of a brokerage meet. I think that is something which incrementally, see, to say that no tariffs will come on India, I think is impossible. But to make a case that India would attract less tariffs, I think looks like a possibility. Now, if India will attract less tariff, which means this China plus one, which is a post-COVID trade, will only extend itself. And companies which are in manufacturing, which are in exports, which would benefit because of the China plus one trade, I think are the ones where you will see some amount of outperformance in the near term. The fact that tariffs are coming, everybody knew about it. The fact that Donald Trump had indicated that if you vote him back to power, he's going to be increasing tariffs to protect American industries, everybody knew it. So in terms of a communication, even before he's taken over as the United States president, right now he's president-elect, he's explicitly made it clear the kind of policy the Republican regime is likely to follow. But for me, what really means, for me, if I read in between lines, is that there is no mention of India, prominent mention of India, let me put it this way. And if that is the communication, and if one works with an assumption that the idea really is to go first against China, Canada and Mexico, that means on the margin, India would benefit, and that is something which markets will slowly start recognizing it. Now the point is that, is the genie out of the bag? Which is that which way tariffs would move, which way the dollar policy would move, which way the manufacturing policy would move? I would say yes. So you pretty much know that what you have to deal with or what kind of regime we are in when it comes to Donald Trump and when it comes to the new Republican administration.
Enviro Infra Engineers Limited now proposes an initial public offer of its equity shares. The 100% book built issue is being offered at a price band of rupees 140 to rupees 148 per equity share of face value of rupees 10 each. Issue opens on Friday, November 22nd, 2024. Issue closes on Tuesday, November 26th, 2024. For risk involved and other details, please refer to the Red Herring Prospectus, which is available on the website of the company, SEBI, stock exchanges and the BRLM, Hem Securities Limited.